Are you ready to be blown away by the beauty of a 91-year-old model? Meet Carmen Dellorefice, the world's oldest model, who exudes a timeless grace that has captivated the fashion world for over 76 years. In this video, she spills the beans on her 5 secrets of her youthfulness, including her skincare routine, diet, morning rituals, and exercise. Let's not forget, she'll also give you a peek into her love and life, what we will call an intimate life. So, get ready to be inspired and stay tuned until the very end for the juicy details. Carmen Dellorefice is an iconic figure in the fashion industry, recognized for her striking cheekbones, full-bodied white hair, and graceful limbs. Born in New York City in 1931, Carmen was first discovered at the age of 13 while riding a bus to ballet class. She made history at 15 by becoming the youngest model to grace the cover of Vogue. At 91, she continues to stun the world with her elegance as she graces the covers of magazines. In this video, Carmen shares her practical tips on how to stay youthful, reminding us that self-care and self-love are essential ingredients in maintaining beauty. Her positive outlook and resilience have seen her through many challenges, including 3 marriages and 2 complete investment losses that made her lose all her money. Get ready to take notes as Carmen spills the beans on her skincare routine, diet, exercise, and morning rituals. And don't forget to tune in as she talks about love and intimacy. Let's dive into Carmen's secrets of youth and discover how you can nurture and love yourself to look and feel your best, no matter your age. Skincare routine. Who says beauty fades with age? Certainly not Carmen Dellorefice, the world's oldest supermodel. At over 90 years old, she still boasts clear and soft skin that women half her age would envy. While she openly admits to having enhanced her God-given bone structure with regular silicone injections for decades, and undergone a fearsome-sounding medical dermabrasion almost 50 years ago to banish wrinkles and sun damage, Carmen swears by her daily skincare routine to maintain her timeless beauty. Her secret: moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. According to Carmen, she moisturizes her skin with anything that comes to hand. But that's not all. Carmen also knows the importance of sunscreen in keeping skin looking youthful. Sunscreen is recommended for skin cancer prevention as well as for warding off the aging effects. According to Harvard Medical School, another groundbreaking study shows that those who use broad-spectrum sunscreen on a daily basis experience 24% less skin aging than ones who use sunscreen only intermittently. The study, published in the influential Annals of Internal Medicine, followed more than 900 people over a 4-year period. It found that even participants who started daily sunscreen applications in their 40s and 50s showed reduced signs of skin aging. Carmen also keeps her makeup routine to a minimum, using it only for industry events and photo shoots. According to Dr. Green, makeup itself doesn't age your skin, but certain ingredients in makeup have the potential to build up on your skin, which can effectively trap oils and sweat beneath them. This results in skin to appear dull and uneven, making the skin look aged. For Carmen Dellorefice, she avoids makeup altogether when she is not in professional engagements. She wants her skin to breathe and her pores to be free. Diet routine. Carmen Dellorefice has always been a vision of beauty, standing tall at 5 feet 11 inches or 180 centimeters, and her slim figure is just as stunning at the age of 91 as it was when she first started modeling. Despite what you may think, Carmen doesn't follow a strict diet regime or count calories. Instead, she eats to her appetite and loves both eating and cooking. Her creativity when it comes to food is inspiring. For example, if she doesn't like watery spinach, she braises it herself or eats it raw. But for those of you who want to know her secret, she always starts her day by drinking water with lemon juice and eats plenty of probiotic yogurt. Water is the most important intake for Carmen, and she drinks ample amounts of it. She always has water by her side whenever she exercises, which we will be discussing in more detail in this video. And for those who have a sweet tooth, you'll be happy to know that Carmen loves her ice cream too. While she does not binge eat, she always keeps plenty of ice cream in her freezer, just in case. It gives her a feeling of security. And as she puts it, one would think clothes would do it for me, but no, it's ice cream. Stay tuned to learn more about Carmen's exercise routine, which helps her maintain her stunning figure at the age of 91. Exercise routine each morning. Carmen notes that she metabolizes food well. She sure does have great height, but studies show that from the age of 60s, the metabolism starts to decline, not before. So, how does she tackle a potential decreased level of metabolism? Carmen takes gentle care of her body with a regular walking routine that she enjoys with friends. Walking for just 30 minutes every day helps her maintain overall health, increase cardiovascular fitness, strengthen bones, reduce excess body fat, and boost muscle power and endurance. No special equipment or training is required for walking, and it's free. Carmen also practices gentle exercises that she loves, stretching and breathing to become more aware of her body's needs. As she stretches, she tunes into her body's needs, even if it's as simple as opening her eyes. She's discovered that opening her eyes can be an exercise in mindfulness, allowing her to listen to her body and avoid injury as she ages. As part of her daily morning stretching routine, she rolls to see how her hips feel. She bends her knees and does a few leg ups. She ensures to take care of every corner of her body by saying hello to the different parts of her body. While doing these stretches, she also always has a bottle of water at the bedside. After a thorough stretch in her bed, she drinks water because her throat is dry, and if her eyes feel dry, she knows she is not drinking enough fluid in general. With the way she approaches things and listens to her body, she doesn't have to go out and buy salves or eye drops. After that, she shares that she puts the tea kettle on, sets her $19 radio to good jazz, and jumps on the indoor bicycle until the kettle boils. While this morning routine is a fixture, she is flexible about it. Gently stretching her body, she becomes self-aware in what she chooses to do and what she ends up doing. And then she observes what worked and what didn't work, which can change as can every cell in the body. If she is having trouble with any part of her body that needs an on-the-spot decision, then she doesn't stick to the routine because then it becomes counterproductive to what the body needs at the given moment. Carmen's approach to aging is refreshing, reminding us that we can still enjoy life and take care of ourselves as we grow older. By listening to our bodies and being flexible with our routines, we can maintain a healthy lifestyle and age gracefully like Carmen. Breathing exercise. While conducting her stretching routine, Carmen incorporates breathing exercises into her daily practice. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to slow down and pay attention. However, Carmen refuses to succumb to pressure. She values her individuality and cannot deliver her best self if she's following someone else's regime. To ensure she stays relaxed, Carmen has mastered techniques to manage stress. With over 70 years of experience in her career, she understands the importance of a healthy mind and body connection. Carmen knows that when her body feels better, her brain feels better too. She has a strong bond with her brain, which helps her override pain and control anxiety. Instead of panicking, she takes deep breaths, relaxes, and focuses on what she needs to do. Carmen also believes in preparation and research before diving into unknown environments. It's no surprise that she remains a highly sought-after model in the fashion industry. In addition to her stress-reducing techniques, Carmen enjoys hobbies that bring her joy and relaxation. Sewing is a passion of hers, inherited from her accomplished seamstress mother. Together, they made clothes and earned extra money when Carmen was young as they were poor. She also loves photography, finding inspiration in the beauty of the world around her. These hobbies help her unwind and provide a sense of fulfillment beyond her professional career. Goddess life, love life. This was part of my life. Growing up, I would not give that up as I wouldn't give up breathing. She openly discussed her views on intimacy. When asked if she still engages in intimacy, she confidently replied in a video, "Of course, why would I give that up?" To Carmen, intimacy is like maintaining a Rolls Royce. You must occasionally turn on the motor to keep it running smoothly so that when you want to drive the car, it's ready to go. Carmen believes that people often enter intimacy through the wrong doorway, and as a result, they give it up later in life. Society tells us not to engage in it, but Carmen believes that we're just undersatisfied. Intimacy should be as natural as breathing, according to her. Carmen emphasizes the importance of relationships, and intimacy is an essential part of it, as it can add richness and excitement to one's life. Can be like a wonderful wave that starts way out in the ocean and then finally hits on shore and is fabulous, she explains. Carmen has always been one to have crushes and claims to have a love interest to this day. "I love my relationships, and I don't have a set idea of what they should be," she says. "I live out what is there, the dance of need, daily, weekly, yearly, if it's geographically possible, and almost everything in life. Less is more." Sounds love. In regards to love, Carmen has discovered that it's not limited to just romantic love with a partner. She has come to realize that love is not the narrow thing she once thought it was. She can find it all in one lovely person with marriage and intimacy and lust that is fabulous, and she says she came pretty close with her last husband. Now she realized that you can find your soulmate in friendship too. Throughout this video, we've explored Carmen's 5 secrets to maintaining her youth, health, and beauty. Her optimistic take on skincare, diet, exercise, and keeping her relationships alive have all contributed to her longevity. When asked about retirement, Carmen simply responds, no, and explains that she wants to enjoy every day of her life and work as a part of that. If you're interested in adopting her positive attitude towards work and longevity, Check out our next video on James Hong, Hollywood's hardest working actor who is still thriving at the age of 94. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips for a long and fulfilling life. And as always, like this video and hit the notification bell.